Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Saxton, and I just wanted to give you a couple of tips as you start working on the next project, which is the Internet Resource Guide. Two main purposes for the Internet Resource Guide. The first is, of course, finding sources that are related to your particular field or a topic that you're interested in. And second is formatting a document. So I'm mostly going to focus on the formatting aspect because I hope that throughout your college career, you've kind of been able to identify some resources or at least know where to get started. If you don't, of course, you can always reach out to me and we can chat and work on that together. I think it's helpful to consider the Internet Resource Guide as like a specific guide, either for a specific class maybe that you've taken before at Penn State, or you can see from the examples to accomplish a very specific task, like applying to a specific kind of job, and keep that audience and that scope really specific, and that's going to help you write better, more focused sort of abstract. First off, I just want to point out that you need to identify a total of 7 sources, find their URLs, right, and put them in a Word document. However, once you get to actually writing the abstracts, pick 3 of those sources and write an abstract for 3 of them. And each one, think about answering these questions. In the sample that I'm going to use to show you how to format the document, I actually don't write just one paragraph. I kind of break each of my pieces into its own subheading. So that's one way to kind of go about it. And some of the other examples that are on Canvas, you'll see that they've actually just kind of written a paragraph about what the guide is, and then this sort of like 4th point, what tips can they use? They've kind of written instruction guide. So in addition to find 7 sources, write abstracts for 3 of them, and then you also need to compile some kind of preliminary material. It's called front matter. These, you can kind of use these topics as headings. Again, in a sample that I'm going to show you, I don't necessarily follow this exact order because I think some of them could be reorganized to be more logical, but it has to at least have these topics.